Kumbala kolal ban srai madan ya ki ML Skhim mentakasngi ka handu tari nok pra ajlapsan UMLE ka not shilong ba Adelbert nongrum wala pelaj Paidbah ya ka ML Skhim ke belakot sya kasan klo tengka sya ki sinong ki kenhun bar gibriu ki bahab a konstituensi. Haba keren halo ka neu ba Adelbert wong ba ka work order ke bawasam mentakasngi kamdai ban ya peng bar kejing baha juga kam bar kejing syai karukam trikam sya Paidbah. Ha ka jing sam Skhim ka dobal hol ka waing dok kelas rei smam da jing wan poi ki Paidbah ka konstituensi rangkat ka jing sakhilang kidang ba sinong na sinong ber kidong ba phai repel kum na than jayau re sam thia waing do jil rot khnai lat bat ki giwei nalo ki sing thai ki sing samla ki bahap a konstituensi jong u rangkat ka jing sakhilang ki Paidbah kani ka wak oda ka blau pelaj ka dai ka jing snok ti nam ta ka jing ba jong ka imlang ka salang laung ba Adelbert uba ada bat long ba sali ada job ne urem hagi election hanrei ka thong kalong ban ai ke jing syakri ya ki Paidbah bat ban yada ki try muluk ka jela kan thup ki khasi jain tia bat ki wei ki badai try snong kan ni ki jela.
Langit, bahkan kalau ada kami pelat muda, dan baju pikir ang basno, bayi kutan turun, kawaii, Chairman support EPC ke dalam respective locality, hoi kadai kebentak semua kembali dengan puak perlembar jumpi, kadai kawaii penpau, bagi don kata bagi extend our hands towards the betterment, bagi don equal, responsible, equal and collective effort. Hari ini benda nak benda kejumpa kabit-kabit kebahagiaan. Aku boleh terpang jadi presiden, parti secretary, jom kisah kita, sing sama sports clubs, even from the other side, representing on this very occasion, women from the organization. We welcome you all. Kulesibol nakabanta kani kapor, but nakuha penpau ni kapor. Kidon ki parok kijonga oba nga try fiing parok kidon sangut bangan rebut hantu ki por oba kidon ka differences hapring barka party VPP kidon na ni kabalesi na kayang jwa ang request na bayan si sapat lang iba madya lalu masa ay kising kada si sijat kada kuha ay marmi lesi lalong kusay pa nangis ka magparok. I do believe that everyone, not only here but outside, my beloved supporter, who never asked me, from me, for their own individual profit or benefit. That's why, in my place, I never got a chance to keep the chair in front. And always try to keep the responsibility to accomplish my duties accordingly for my beloved citizen, my beloved electorate of my constituency. Nasuda parang, nasupit rang. Nakabanta parang kibai, maksudnya perkiraan nga. Therefore, I, with confidence, always, even in the house, in the floor of the house, I always say these words, that I'm here. People elected me, people who have been my beloved electorate, sending me to represent the people, to represent the constituency, not because of the sake of the chair or for my share, but to work for the betterment, for this present and for the future.